welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to create a new project, DNA Helix animation in our terminal. So first of all we'd like to start by writing import time, and next we'd like to import mass and import OC. And we'd like to create a new variable called t equals 0. And we'll write while true x equals integer 10 times mass dot scene, in brackets write t, the variable that we created before. So we copy it up and do it with the y. Now it's y. And then we would like to write here helix equals brackets space multiply by 20 plus x plus, in brackets write division, write plus, write this division, and then over here write in brackets like this space, and then we write x and the multiplication, then we write abs y, and then we just plus 2 of this, and then all we have to do is just print helix, then time dot sleep 0.05, then write oc dot sys them, and in brackets write, and in string write clc if os dot name equals, in brackets write int, else write clear, and then we just write t plus equals 0.2. So here guys, now let's save it up. Now let's run it. Okay, so it says in line 16 we have some mistake. Oh, here it has to be double. I forgot double equals while true. What's wrong? Oh, it has to be capital. Oh, I always forget it. Now if you run it, so as you see, it's doing it. So okay guys, this is all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.